Now, if there's one rudiment out there that I think needs a little bit more love, it's the buzz roll. It's such a beautiful thing when played well, but it can be a little bit tricky to teach online. So I'm gonna do my best today to show you a couple of things I used to develop my buzz roll with myself and my students. Let's get to it. So what is the buzz roll? Well, it's basically like when you hear that brr, brr, brr sound, when you buzz and you push into the head and get many, many bounces. Sometimes called a multiple bounce roll, sometimes called a closed roll. Either way, it can be the full gamut from super, super tight like an orchestral thing to super loose and big, gougey kind of New Orleans style. Now, one of the tricky things about learning a buzz roll and also teaching it is that it's very tactile. It's a thing you need to learn how to control the stick. You need to learn how to touch it, how the fingers interact, and all that sort of stuff. So this first exercise is designed to solve that problem. We're going to play whole notes. Well, basically what we're going to do is we're going to hit on the 1, and we're going to let the note drag as long as possible. We're going to get as many bounces as possible. Now, I'm doing this with a click right now, but to be honest, I like to do it with music, just to give you something to listen to. Try to get into time, and you're just experimenting around with how tight or how loose you need to be to get as many bounces as possible. You're trying to ride that fine line where if it's too tight, you're not getting enough. When it's too loose, you're basically not also getting enough, but they're too spaced out. You're trying to find the perfect balance. Now, once you can actually make the sound, now we're going to put it through a table of time. Because we want to keep that looseness and that flow, and what happens is those notes start to overlap. Instead of going, it goes. Easiest way to do that is through a table of time. Now, scary words. Table of time, we're just basically going to do eighth notes, eighth note triplets, and 16th notes. That sounds like this. Now, the final little exercise today is actually going to be all about power. We're going to build the power of the buzz roll, the power. We're going to play triple stroke rolls. Basically, trying to do more and get powerful 3 notes is a really great exercise. It's about the only use I've found personally for a triple stroke roll in my practice, but I do work it because I want that big Stanton Moore, big, massive Art Blakey style buzz roll. So a triple stroke roll, as it suggests, is just 3 on each hand. Right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, left, left. Do try to avoid dropping that. So right, right, right. We want all 3 to be loud, all 3 lefts to be loud, all of them to be even. Work on that, start to push the speed, and you'll start to get a stronger buzz roll that's not only super quiet and controlled, but nice and big and loud. Now, this wouldn't be a lesson by me if I didn't show you it from the pad on the kit. So one really nice thing to do is just to change your backbeat for a buzz roll. your buzz roll with these exercises will be a beautiful thing. If you want to go deeper with your hands, check out this video where I talk about 5 different essential rudiments for your hand technique, and they also sound awesome on the kit. See you in the next one.